today's presentation is conservation of nature. Every year, July 28th is celebrated internationally as World Nature Conservation Day. This is done to increase awareness of people about best practices to protect our natural resources. This day recognizes that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and productive society. So, we all must participate to protect, conserve, and sustainably manage our natural resources. India's position. According to State of India's Environment report, India ranked 168th out of 180 countries in 2020. While India has made progress in this rank, but still India has a long way to go. While Denmark has ranked first in the world, followed by Luxembourg, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, France, Austria, Finland, Sweden, Norway, and Germany in the top 10 countries. This is what our aim should be. Let's see what are the initiatives taken by our current government, that is the Modi government. Namami Gange program. Its aim is to conserve and rejuvenate the river. Green Skill Development Program. This program focuses on developing skills among the youth in the environment and forest sector. This will contribute to preserve and restore environment and create a sustainable future. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the most popular campaign related to environment. This also includes Gramin Swachh Bharat Mission, Bal Swachhata Abhiyan. Toilets before temples. Pehle Shauchalya, Fir Devalya became a popular slogan at the time this program was launched. And till now, 9 crore household toilets have been built and many states have been declared as defecation free. Compensatory Afforestation Fund Act CAMPA. Under this act, any individual or organization intending to use forest lands or for non-forest purposes will be charged a heavy amount. What can you do to conserve nature? Here are 10 steps which you can follow to give a hand in protecting the nature. First is drive more, drive less and bike more. Or if you are driving, then you can pool with others. Educate. When you further your own education, you can help others understand the importance and value of our natural resources. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Cut down on what you throw away. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landfill space. Choose sustainability. Learn how to make smart seafood choices. You can use a website called www.fishwatch.gov. Plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Don't send chemicals into our waterways. Choose non-toxic chemicals in the home and office, as there are already many industries which are throwing away their chemicals into our waterways. Long-lasting light bulbs are a bright idea. Energy-efficient light bulbs reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Also, flip the light switch off when you leave the room. Shop wisely. When you shop, buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Always carry a cloth bag with you when you go out for shopping. Conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater that eventually end up in the ocean. As you all know, in India, there are many areas in which people don't even get clean water to drink. Volunteer. Volunteer for cleanups in your community. you can get involved in protecting your watershed too. As a youth, you must contribute and volunteer in cleaning activities. Thank you.